Hello, everybody. This is another episode of UncleCode Review. We're gonna go to different students, and we're gonna go through their codes and review what they've done, and maybe I have some comments to improve their code. And code review always is important in any software company, especially senior programmers. They look at junior coders and give them comments and hints. So it's one way of improving the code quality and learning a lot of new things. Okay, hello, we in Mason. How are you?
Hello.
Hello, it's good to be
Good.
back. Hi,
Yeah.
Sam.
Perfect, perfect. So let us start from our kid. Arvina, let us know who is our student today.
All right, so our next student, we're gonna show Siddarth Code. He's 15 years old and he joined Kidocode since 2018.
2018. Oh, they got our
Yes,
oldest student here. Great. Great. 2018, 15 years old.
yes.
So now let's see what he has done. Perfect. Let's jump to his code, everybody.
Let's
Siddarth, we're going to go to your code. Look at here, everyone. I'm going to run the code now. So you can see that there are like kind of stars or snowflakes. Great.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
snowflakes.
Okay, so let me run it again. So now, okay, we do have this. Great. So let's go through the code. Let's see what's happening here. So we do have speed 100. You can make it 0 to maximize. It's interesting. Width is 5. Great. And you are doing something here. Count 100, 101, 102. And then you're drawing 2 lines. Left 90, left 90. So basically you can say left 180, right? Because doesn't make any difference. But you can write less line of code. And forward 100 pixel and backward 200 makes sense. Forward 100 again. That's just what you wanted to do. And then left and right 90 and again 100, 200, 100. Okay. And then left 40 pixel to draw. Why 40 and why not 45? I'm not sure. I think it should be 45 if you wanted to make it exactly in the middle, or maybe I'm missing something. I think 45 is better because it's 90 degree and you want to divide it. So you're going to write 45 because 90 divided by 2 is 45. And again, another 90 and then draw. So that's really great. So you just did a kind of big drawing here. But what I don't get it here, why you did this, I think you did this for fun maybe. You wanted to do 3 times. So maybe we can just say range.
The way people are counting 1001, 1002, 1003.
100, 123. So, okay. And now let's see. Let's understand that what you did here is if you don't go to the left, let's see what will be the shape. Okay, it won't be the way that you want it, huh? So you wanted to draw it from that point, and then let's continue, make it like more. Let's go for 6, like 6. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
It's getting really
Go
nice.
for 8. 2 more,
Hey,
please.
oh, it's getting beautiful now.
Yeah.
Look at the shape. So interesting. Look at the
It's a very
middle.
famous shape.
So nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, kind of. It's very interesting. Look at the
In
shape.
the middle, it's like a stars.
Yes, true,
Mm.
true. Super nice, super nice. That's
Yeah.
very interesting. Very architectural, right? Can be
Yeah,
designed
true.
for everything. For
Yeah.
window, for building, for everywhere. That's super nice. That's really nice. Really nice.
It reminds me Islamic architecture.
True. It's
Yeah.
that stars. It has maybe sort of taste from that side. Interesting. Very nice. And it's just happening by one shapes and patterns. Keep repeating. And it's very interesting because you know what I like about this code? When finish drawing one pattern, it doesn't do anything else because it's automatically ready for the next shape. It doesn't need to turn right or turn left or anything else. That's what I found very interesting in this Chida. It's very interesting to me. And then because when I make one, let's go for one. Look at the turtle already ready. for drawing the next.
Yeah, true.
So it's really so these are kind of shapes that they bring repetition by themselves. It's very interesting. It means if you put them in a loop, it won't be like just drawing on themselves. For example, if you draw a square back again to the first position, if you repeat it 10 times, it will be like this. So that's why you need to turn left a little bit to make it like a geoflower. But this shape by itself does this for you. You don't need to go 45, 45, and 45.
Our human brain is so love to see patterns, and when we see patterns, we call it beautiful. So you just need to do something, even random, something very simple, and it let it to repeat and fill the page. So that most probably will become beautiful.
True.
Because people can see the pattern inside. Most probably. I tried several times, didn't work.
If I come here and I write, let's see if we add a little bit of the randomness in color, how does it look like? Random, and then just put the color RGB, right? R, G, and B. Oh, something is wrong, right? That color sequence. It should be. Am I missing anything, Miss Amir?
Put another brackets around that.
Oh, need tuple, huh?
Tuple. Didn't work.
Or maybe I forgot it. It should work.
Should work.
250 should work. Some color.
Try.
Weird. It's weird. So if I make it 1, it's weird. Blue. It's weird. My syntax is correct, or I missed something. You can search me over the internet.
I don't see a problem in that this moment.
Always was like that. Always was like this. That means we could mix RGB. I think something is wrong with KPortal here. It should be like that. RGB. Okay, so I can't remember why what was like that. Maybe what I can do is the color random, the choice. So give me some colors, like let's say blue.
Yeah, yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow or gold. That's my color today. Maybe red.
Red. Very sharp. Maybe we need like. What if we make it blue, light blue?
Yeah.
Just use one blue. So maybe we can add one more blue to put pressure on blue. Come on. Okay. Okay, I don't know why the RGB doesn't work, because I wanted to create a nice spectrum of green to blue colors. That makes sense here, this kind of design. Perfect, very good.
Okay, I got it up. It's not 0 to 125, it's 0 to 1. So make it 001 and it works. 001. 0 commas, yeah, true.
Very something new.
Yeah.
Okay. So here will be RGB. Doesn't like the 0, you mean? Okay, it's
works.
Dark. Let's make it like that. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, if I want to make it, okay, so we'll do this random dot rand int. I will generate a random number from 0 to 255, but at the same time I divide it by 255. Or let me go to like 100. It's getting nice, right?
So it's like gradient. It's like different shades of blue, right?
True. And if I add green, a little bit to it.
Oh, I love this color.
You see, it's getting nice. And let me make it like 155 rather than make it a little bit matte colors, something like that. And maybe I make it 10 and 10. So you can play a lot and act artistic when you have a color theme, to have a range for the colors, and then you can come up with something cool. But now it's nice. This is very nice. This became very nice. Yes, this became very nice.
Wow.
And for change it to 255, you should tom.color mode 255.
Tom, color what?
Color mode. It's the color mode is 0 to 1, but if you wanted to just write tom.color mode and 255.
Like this?
It's small case. Yeah.
Okay.
Like that?
Yes. It's open brackets. Open bracket. Like the tom.width. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like that, right?
Yes. And now resolve the issue.
Okay, that's new. Okay, so let's put like 100, 100, and 200. Does it work? Okay, cool. Good, good. So then we can just back to this and give this a little bit. This is also nice when I play with red a little bit. Let me go to 255.
Is this purple?
Yes.
Pink? That's nice.
Yes. Purple with
So nice.
Yeah, nice. Great. I like it.
that's nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay,
Well,
perfect.
Things we
That was
can
a nice
do with that.
code. So that is nice. And now is the time that we tell you a very, very, very important.
Good job.
You have to know that you are always programmers.
Programmers!
Yes.